Family subjects are amazing. They are probably better than the language arts and math. It's just such a great opportunity to learn all together and learn from one another and even get daddy involved. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones. So in our home, what we're going to utilize this year is 2 types of family elective type subjects. So we're going to have one which mommy leads, which is going to pretty much be history, science, and geography, as well as social studies. And we'll have another in which daddy leads. This year for science, what we're going to be using is The Good and the Beautiful. Ooh, why did I say it like that? So for this year for science, what we're going to be using is The Good and the Beautiful. We're going to be doing space science, safety, and anatomy. We will be using it as a spine. Some things that I find that the children gravitate more towards, we'll go ahead and do some fun creative things and art projects and things like that. And the things that they, go right over their head, we'll just move on. But our spine is going to be The Good and the Beautiful. Now, we do science about 2 days a week for about an hour. So we're looking forward to that. All right, history as well. We will be using The Good and the Beautiful. We're gonna be finishing off year 1, which we started last year, and jumping right into year 2. I love it. It's got games, it's got audio, it's got coloring pages. My kids love it, I love it. They're learning a lot. Anything that kinda doesn't really line up, we just educate them otherwise because we're homeschoolers, so we get the opportunity to do that. Now, geography. Geography, we're going to use beginning geography with Evan Moore, and like everything else, it is a spine. It is grades K through 2. If anything is not challenging enough for my 4th grader, I will expand upon it. Now, along with geography, we will also be doing social studies. So on the same day that we do geography, we do social studies. Geography is usually fairly quick. So with social studies now, we utilize the Abeka social studies program, the K-5 program. I know you're thinking, I have no kindergartner, but we actually got this for my first child when he was in kindergarten, and we never utilized it. It was just, Abeka, it was just a lot. With Abeka, we find that it's a lot of material, and so it was just something that just got put in the back burner. So we're bringing it out this year with him being in the 4th grade and my daughter being in the 1st grade. And I think it would be a perfect foundation or guide for us. Obviously, it's a bit young for my little ones, so I'm just gonna use it in a way to direct us. So when we're talking about police officers or when we're talking about farmers or anything like that, I will just dive deeper into it with more resources, but just use it as a guide for me. So just to recap, we are going to be doing science 2 days a week, history 2 days a week, and to make up our 5th day, social studies and geography together. Now, our favorite by far family subjects or family group time is the things that we get to do with dad. So for African American Studies, we are going to be doing Black History Kids Edition, African American History, A Child's Introduction, as well as a kid's guide to African American history and 100 African Americans who shaped American history, Little Leaders, Bold Women in Black History, Little Legends, Exceptional Men in Black History, Hearts and Soul. Now with African American Studies, we are going to be using one of the books as a spine in order to guide and incorporate the other books within it. Now with African American Studies, I haven't quite laid out how we're going to proceed and read the books, which book we'll use as a spine, but once I do, I will go ahead and make a video on that for you. No, I won't. But once I do, I'll let you know. Follow me on Instagram and I'll make sure to do a post about that. So the next thing we do with Daddy is we do a nature study. And he's our creative outdoors parent, so he really takes charge of that. And we do use the nature notebook, but it's pretty much Daddy does a nature notebook as well as our oldest, so it's their own little special thing that they do together. Now, when it comes to art, he's the creative brain. That is his thing. So he utilizes the Good and the Beautiful's art curriculum, as well as incorporates his own little fun things in there. If he goes to the art supply store and he sees something fun that he wants to do with the kids, he goes and dives right in and does that with them. We have our own special day of the week, which is art day, and Daddy takes charge of that because Mommy doesn't like the mess. Now, our oldest son will also be working with Daddy on filming and editing, which is what we do with the YouTube videos. He does all the edits and the filming and things like that. And so our son will be getting a training this year on how to film, how to do edits, how to do thumbnails, all that good stuff. So he's really excited, and I'm pretty excited as well. Daddy has been wanting for a long time to learn how to play the piano. And one of the things that we love is when we're learning with our children, it seems as if they tend to love that. They love to see us make mistakes and how we act, and it's either funny or silly to them, or they're like, man, if Daddy makes a mistake and he can do it, then I can definitely do it. So Daddy's gonna be learning the piano with them and working with them, and also, getting better with them at the same time. So that's gonna be their thing, and they're pretty excited about that too. Now that's pretty much it for things that we have planned. Now, we always leave the door open to branching out and doing something different or adding more. We're pretty looking forward to this year and looking forward to the growth and the fun things that we get to learn all together, and our children are beyond excited. So question of the day, does your partner participate in some of the schooling things too, or is that all on you? I have to say that it makes being a homeschool mom so much easier, I guess, and so much more fun when he gets involved. So it's not like I'm not there, but it's just nice to have somebody else be the teacher. Thank you for joining me on our family pics. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye. No, don't use that one. I know you. I should not have said that. Yes.